Alright Rams, it's that time of year. Time to apply for the Continuing Student Housing Application for the 2024-2025 academic year. This means all rising sophomore, juniors, and seniors planning to live on campus should prepare to apply. There are two parts to the Continuing Student Housing process. Part 1 is completing the application. Part 2 is the self-selection process. In this video, we will review the application completion process. Let's get started. Begin by going to the WSSU Housing and Residence Life webpage and locate the big Housing Portal button. Log into the Housing Portal using your WSSU credentials. This is the same login you use for your WSSU student email ending in rams.wssu.edu. Once logged in, find and select Apply for Housing. Choose the 2024-2025 housing application. Fill out your personal information carefully, providing your best contact number. Review the housing application policy and check the agreement box. Proceed to the housing application fee page. The non-refundable housing application fee is $135. Once you select Make Payment, a separate window will open for you to input your payment information. Please note, Discover and American Express are not accepted. Upon payment, save or print your receipt for record keeping. After payment, close the payment window, but remember to return to the Housing Application tab to finalize your application submission. Move to the Emergency Contact Information page. Be sure to accurately fill in emergency contact details. Next, requests for special accommodations due to disabilities must go through the Office of Disability Services. You have the option to purchase renter's insurance through our campus partner GradGuard. This affordable insurance package safeguards your property from theft, fire, smoke, water damage, and more. We encourage all residents to purchase insurance. Review your application summary and acknowledge the WSSU Housing and Residence Life contract. Upon successful submission, expect a confirmation email to your university email address. Alright Rams, that's it. You have completed the application. Next is self-selection. Now, don't worry, we want to ensure every Ram is prepared to participate in our self-selection process. Be on the lookout for our upcoming How to Participate in Self-Selection video and our in-person and virtual information sessions. We look forward to having you live with us on campus, and remember, together we make our halls a home.